श्री हनुमान चालीसा। श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मनु मुकुर सुधारी। बरनउ रघुबल बिमल जसुजो, दायकु फलचारी। After purifying the mirror of my mind with the dust of the lotus feet of Shri Guru, I begin the description of the taintless glories of Lord Rama that bestow the four human ends in life. बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरई पवन कुमार, बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहिम हरहु कलेस विकार। O Lord Hanuman, the son of the wind deity, you know me with the shortcomings of my intellect. Please remove all afflictions and defects in me and grant me the strength of body, intelligence and knowledge. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर। Victory upon you, O Lord Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue, O Lord of the monkeys, the illuminator of the three worlds. रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुतनामा। O messenger of Lord Rama, O the abode of incomparable strength, O son of Anjani, O Pavan Suta, the son of wind deity. Mahabir Vikram Bajarangi, Kumati Nivar Sumati ke Sangi. You are a great warrior with the body having the power of a thunderbolt. You are the remover of negative tendencies and the companion of noble thoughts. Kanchan Baran Biraj Subesa, Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesa. You have the golden hue and you shine in beautiful clothes. You wear ornamental earrings and you have fine curly hair. Hath Vajra Arudhvaja Biraje, Kandhai Munj, Janayu Saje. You shine with the flag and thunderbolt in your hands, and with the sacred thread made of the munja grass across your shoulders. Sankar Suvan Kesari Nandana, Teja Pratap Mahachagavandana. O the incarnation of Lord Shiva and the son of Kesari, you are adored by the entire universe for your radiance and valor. विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबेको आतुर. You are the learned, the virtuous, extremely skillful and wanting to carry out the work of Shri Rama. प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबेको रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया. You enjoy listening to the glories of your master. You have Rama, Lakshmana and Sita abiding in your mind. Shushma roop dhari siyahi dikhawa, vikat roop dhari lank jarawa. Assuming a tiny form, you showed yourself to Sita, and assuming a contrary form, you burnt the city of Lanka. भीम रूप धरि असुर सहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे. Assuming a gigantic form, you destroyed the demons and fulfilled the tasks of Shri Rama. लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुबीर हर्षि उर लाए. When you bought the Sanjeev herb for saving Lakshmana, Shri Ram embraced you with joy. रघुपति किन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत सही समभाई. Shri Rama praised you profusely and said that you are a dear brother to him like Bharata. सहस्त्र वदन तुम्हारो जस गावै, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे. Shri Rama, embracing you, said that even the 1,000-hooded serpent, the Sheshanaga, sings in your praise. Sanakadik Brahmadi Munisa, Narada Sarada Sahita Ehisa. The sages such as Sanaka, the gods such as Brahma, sage Narada, goddess Saraswati and Sheshanaga have not been able to describe your glories fully. जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते कवि को विद कही सके कहाते. Yama, Kubera, the guardian deities, poets and scholars have not been able to describe your glories fully. तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही किन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपद दिन्हा. You did a great help to Sugriva by introducing him to Sri Rama and restoring the throne to him. तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना. The whole world knows that Vibhishana accepted your advice and became the king of Lanka. जूक सहस्र जोजन पर भानु, लिल्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु. The sun is located at such a distance that it would take thousands of yugas to reach. Thinking it to be a sweet fruit, you took it effortlessly. प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माही, जल धिलांगी गए अचरज नाही. That you crossed the ocean carrying the ring of Sri Rama in your mouth is not a matter of wonder, as you are seen to be capable of such deeds in the past. दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते. Whatever difficult tasks are there in the world, they become easy to perform by your grace. राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे. You are the gatekeeper of Sri Rama and nobody can enter without your permission. सब सुख लही तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक का हूँ को डरना. In your refuge, one enjoys all happiness. When you are the protector, why should one be afraid? आपन तेज समारो आपै, तीनों लोक हाकते कापै. You alone can keep under check your force. All the three worlds tremble before your power. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवै, महावीर जब नाम सुनावै. No destructive evil spirits dare to come near. For one who chants your name, you being a great warrior. नासई रोग हरई सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. O Lord Hanuman, the warrior, all diseases get destroyed and the pains disappear when your name is chanted constantly. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावै, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावै. Lord Hanuman frees him from all the hardships, the one who devotes his mind to him in deeds, words and thoughts. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तीन के काज सकल तुम साजा. You accomplish the tasks of King Rama, who accomplishes the desires of the ascetics. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै. Whoever enjoys your grace gains limitless results in this life, whatever be the desire he entertains. चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. Your writ prevails through all the 4 yugas, the time cycle, and your glory shines in throughout the world. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. O Rama's beloved, you are the protector of the sense and the sages, and you are the destroyer of the demons. अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असबर दिन जानकी माता. Mother Sita has granted you the boon that you will be the giver of 8 yogic powers and 9 treasures. राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा. You have a medicine with you which is the name of Rama, since you always remain surrendered to Lord Rama. तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे. Your worship takes one to Lord Rama and sweeps away the sufferings of all the past lives. अंतकाल रघुपर पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई. At the end of his life, such a person goes to the abode of Lord Rama, and he will continue to be called a Hari Bhakta, a devotee of Lord Vishnu. और देवता चित्तन धरई, हनुमत सेई सर्व सुख करई. To him who does not think of any deity other than Hanuman in his mind, all the deities bestow happiness unto him. संकट कटई मिटई सब पीरा, जो सुमिरई हनुमत बलबीरा. All difficulties are warded off and the pains are removed for those who think of the all-powerful Hanumana. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई. Victory be unto you, victory be unto you, victory be unto you. O Lord Hanuman, O Gurudev, bless us. जो सतबार पाठ कर कोई, छुट ही बंदी महासुख होई. Whoever chants this Chalisa 100 times will become freed from the bondage and will gain the highest happiness. जो यह पढ़ई हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा. Whoever chants this Hanuman Chalisa will gain his desired ends. Lord Shiva is the witness of the statement. तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा, कीजय नाथ हृदय महिडेरा. Tulsidas, who is ever the servant of the Lord, prays that the Lord reside in his heart. दोहा. पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप. राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सूर भूप. May Hanuman, who removes hardships, who is an embodiment of auspiciousness, who is the Lord, who protects the world, reside in my heart, along with Shri Rama, Lakshmana and Sita. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय. बोलो रे भाई सब सनातन की जय. O brother, proclaim victory to Lord Rama, bridegroom of Sita. Victory to Lord Hanumana, the son of the wind deity. Victory to Lord Shiva, Lord of Parvati. And victory to all the saints.